right? So here are some definitions. ये हमें पता होनी चाहिए as mental health professionals, right? So uh, there is a term called initial use or occasional use or controlled or social use, right? जो हम लोग करते हैं जो हम एज अ हैबिट करते हैं बट हम एडिक्टेड नहीं हैं, राइट? So this is not considered to be a disorder and it simply means a pattern of use. So it is a habit, but it is not yet harming us. Okay. So this is occasional use or controlled use, and this is fine. Okay. What is harmful use or abuse? So this is harmful use or abuse is clinically diagnosable, but it is still not dependent. Not dependent substance use या not dependent behavior का मतलब कि अभी तक आपको विड्रॉल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, राइट? अभी तक आपको कुछ डैमेज नहीं हो रहा है आपके फिजिकल या मेंटल हेल्थ पे, ओके? सो दिस इज clinically diagnosable but not yet the changes have started happening. Okay. अब इसमें भी दो तरीके का होता है, एक होता है harmful use और एक होता है abuse. So harmful use is a pattern, so the changes, the damage has not yet happened, but the pattern that you are doing, it is going to cause damage very soon or someday, right? So harmful use is the pattern of use which is associated with damage to physical health, right, or your mental health, like depression, anxiety, all that. Abuse, what is abuse? Abuse is use or of any drug or engagement in any behavior which is usually by self. It is not prescribed to you. You are not told by anybody to do it, but you are doing it by yourself in a manner that deviates from approved social or medical pattern. So you are overdoing it, right? For example, अगर हम gaming and gambling सोचे, you are overdoing it. So somebody, a friend suggested you are feeling bored, you are feeling depressed, play this game. Okay, उस समय खेलना ठीक है, but now you are playing it again and again, such that you are not sleeping, you are not eating, you are not meeting your family, you are just keeping playing that game. So now it is a maladaptive pattern. It is physically hazardous for your brain, for your eyes, and it is going to cause your role impairment. You are not working properly, you're not meeting your social obligations, right? So then this is called abuse. So abuse उसे तब बोलते हैं जब आप सेल्फ एडमिनिस्टर करते हो, ओके? मिसयूज हम तब बोलते हैं when your patterns are similar to abuse, मतलब maladaptive patterns हैं, सही patterns नहीं है, but patterns of what? Of something prescribed by the physician. Okay. So this misuse is seen more in substance use disorders, but yes, it is applicable to behavioral addiction also. Your physician prescribed you something, but you are overdoing that thing such that it is now harming you. Okay. So that is misuse. Next term is behavioral addiction or dependence. So हम addiction कब बोलते हैं, dependence कब बोलते हैं? When this is a condition involving a compulsive desire to engage in a particular rewarding behavior despite experiencing the harmful consequences. So you are experiencing it, still you are doing it again and again. So this behavior provides a short-term reward or relief from the distress, but person loses control over it over time, right? So temporarily you're going to get relief, but later on, if you are not doing it, you are going to suffer from withdrawals. That is called dependence, okay? Then what is tolerance? So tolerance is a particular amount of a thing is not giving you satisfaction. So it is a phenomenon in which after repeated administration, a given amount of an experience or behavior produces a decreased effect. Or in other words, you need increasingly larger doses to obtain the same effect as it was observed previously, right? So पहले आधा घंटा एक गेम खेल के अच्छा लगता था, अभी कम से कम 1-2 घंटे खेलना पड़ता है तभी आपको अच्छा लगता है, ओके? So this increasing need is called the phenomenon of tolerance. Okay. Then what is neuroadaptation? So neuroadaptation is these are the changes, the neurochemical and the neurophysiological changes. So the changes that we were talking about, dopamine system, serotonergic system, glutaminergic system, in सब में जो changes आ रहे हैं, the changes in your brain due to repeated exposure to a particular experience, a particular behavior, that is called neuroadaptation. And these changes only lead to tolerance. So जब आपको need ज़्यादा होती है किसी चीज की to get that reward वाली feeling, to get the pleasurable effect, it is because of this neuroadaptation that has happened in your brain. So the same amount is not satisfactory now, you need more. Okay. So ये न्यूरो अडेप्टेशन, ये टॉलरेंस और डिपेंडेंस, ये तीन कॉन्सेप्ट आपको हर पेशेंट को समझाने हैं वेन एवर दे आर कमिंग टू यू विद सब्सटेंस यूज डिसऑर्डर। इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज उनकी समझाओ कि ये तीन फिनोमिनन होते हैं और ये होते ही हैं जिसकी वजह से आप एकदम ट्रैप्ड हो जाते हो उस सब्सटेंस यूज या उस बिहेवियर में, राइट? बट द गुड थिंग इज, जो ये न्यूरो अडेप्टेशन हो रहा है, जो चेंजेस आपके ब्रेन के रिवॉर्ड पाथवेज में हो रहे हैं, इट इज रिवर्सिबल इफ यू स्टॉप इट, राइट? सो योर टॉलरेंस इज ऑल्सो रिवर्सिबल अगर आप एब्सटिनेंस मेंटेन रखो, अगर आप आपके बिहेवियर्स को स्टॉप करो, बट येस इट टेक्स टाइम, राइट? सो व्हाट इज आवर जॉब एज mental health professionals or as therapists? Our job is to help them stay on the path of abstinence, right? So that this neuroadaptive changes, they reverse back, right? And then the problem gets solved. तो इसमें therapies और medicine दोनों चीज help करती हैं, okay? Then there are a few more definitions that we should know, like compulsion. This is a term we came across lots of times during our session today. So compulsion is a strong, irresistible urge to perform a behavior repeatedly, often to reduce distress or to achieve pleasure, right? Then what is impulse control? So impulse control is your, जिसको हम विल पावर बोलते हैं in layman terms. So your ability to resist sudden urges or temptations. आप उसको कितना resist कर सकते हो, right? So this is obviously impaired in behavioral addictions, right? And even in other substance use addictions. So what is our job as therapists? Our job is to build this impulse control, teach them techniques to build this willpower and impulse control, and tell them importance of this, right? Then what is craving? We all know it is an intense desire or urge to engage in a behavior, right? And finally, relapse. Relapse is returning to the addictive behavior after a period of abstinence or control, right? So these were some of the basic definitions and terminologies which we all should be aware, and we should know them properly to understand the further concepts in addiction, right? So this is the addiction cycle. एंड हेयर आर ऑल दोज टर्म्स दैट वी डिस्कस्ड। इसमें आपको उनका पैटर्न पता चलेगा कि एडिक्शन साइकिल में कहाँ आता है, हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स। So your addiction cycle always starts with the initial use, right? That initial use which gives you the pleasurable effects, which activates your reward pathway or dopamine pathway. So it always starts with the initial use. So whenever we are taking history from patients, one important thing that we ask them is आपका first experience कैसा रहा? So in 98% of the times, they are going to tell you it was a pleasurable experience. In very few people, they tell you that अच्छा नहीं लगा था, सर दर्द होने लगा था, या in case of alcohol, they tell you कि vomiting हो गई, ऐसा ये सब. But initial use is the first step in addiction, right? So after initial use, it changes to abuse. So abuse, as we discussed, अब maladaptive हो जाते हैं उनके patterns. ठीक है, अब उनके पैटर्न्स ऑफ यूज ऐसे होते हैं कि उनकी स्लीप कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रही है, उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रही है, फिजिकल हेल्थ कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रही है. नाउ व्हेन अब्यूज स्टार्ट्स, देन दीज मालअडैप्टिव पैटर्न स्टार्ट, नाउ लीड्स टू टॉलरेंस. सो टॉलरेंस इज, अब 1 घंटा गेम खेलने से मजा नहीं आता, अब 2 घंटा खेलना पड़ता है, राइट? सो यू नीड मोर अमाउंट टू गेट द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ प्लेजर. And now when the tolerance also develops, if you don't get the substance, or if you don't do that behavior, you're going to have withdrawals, you're going to have cravings, you're going to have mood swings. आपको psychological withdrawals, physical withdrawals दोनों होंगे, and that means you are dependent now. You need it to get rid of the withdrawals, and this leads to your addiction. So when there is tolerance, there is dependence, you have addiction, and that leads you to take the substance again, and it is a relapse, right? So this is how the addiction cycle operates, this is how it functions, and this is how we relapse and get back to the use, right? So I hope all these terminologies are clear to you.